Oh wait, hang on. I find GTI, I find. God, I just woke up. Why do I look so tired? A juicy cold start, you said? No paint chip? Oh, baby, it's gonna be a good day. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, you know the deal. We're building my Mark 7. We go fast. Join us. Hit the subscribe button. If you guys didn't see the last video, go take a peep at that. I had a pretty big announcement about finally signing with EQT and running with the boys. Hang on, there's a lawnmower on the road. Anyway, in today's video, so in a group chat about EQT shit, somebody brought it to my attention that it was like about something that wasn't like a known thing, which makes a pretty big difference as far as the tuning and everything on these cars. So what we're gonna do today is we're actually gonna go pick up Cole. He hasn't been in a video for a while, and we're gonna go for a rip, have a good time, and then I'll kind of explain to you guys what I'm talking about, and just something that if you are tuned with EQT, something that you don't want to miss, and something that could be potentially robbing power, fouling out your tune, things like that. Just, we'll get into it. Let's go grab a coffee, we'll go pick up Cole, and then we'll get into it. Let's go have a good day. Hope you guys had a good 4th of July. I meant to drop that video on 4th of July, but you know, shit happens. I've been like actually disgustingly busy at work, which sucks, and we're doggy sitting as well on top of that, so your boy's busy. Also supposed to kind of like scattered rain all day, so we'll see what happens. Oh, this coffee's gonna so good. Yo, I got washer fluid, what the hell? I don't know why that surprised me. Yo, I maintain small things in my car. Let's go. We get that bagel, baby. Food, coffee, water, gas. Let's go get Cole. Let's do some ripping. Like this. Where did this even just come from? It's literally blue skies over there. It's pouring right here. Now it's not raining. What the fuck? What is going on? Anyway, let's go pick up Cole. Like, what? What fucking world are we living in, dude? Oh my god, I thought that was way worse than it was. I just came around this corner and this kid didn't see me. He's in an Escalade and flips me off because I was a little bit over the line when I came around the corner, going like 14 miles an hour. And he riding around an Escalade. God. Anywho, that's my rant for the day. Oh, yo, actually, game changer. I take information that I learned because I learned the hard way and I just do it the dumb way, and then I try to pass it along as much as possible so that you maybe don't have to do the shitty steps that I had to. Anyway, for the guys who have check engine lights, I think, which kind of ties into what I'm about to tell you about EQT today, but if you're trying to get inspected and you just need that light gone, I know that a lot of people are like in the air about O2 spacers working and not working. It sounds like I found one. My friend Larry, what's up, bro? He put me on it and I ordered one, and we'll see. So if you have it facing the opposite direction of the way it flows and you use the right spacer on it, I'll put the link down below for it. I think it's just an Amazon one, which is crazy, but I'll put the link down below. Check it out. If you're trying to get inspected like me, I have one thing left. I need to take the rear window tints off and get the check engine light because, you know, I may have or may have not inspected this car in the last 3 years that I've owned it. You get the point. If you guys need to pass the emissions or pass the inspection, check out the link below. That's so good. What the fuck? Oh my god, a little downhill strip. We're gonna go so fast right here. Holy shit. Well, like the speed limit, of course, you know. Oh god.
push on Cowie. There you go. Oh, sheesh. Cole's got our dad's sunglasses because that's all he's got. Looking fresh, dog. All right, we picked up Cowie. We're gonna stop and grab some drinks, then we're gonna rip. Yeah, but these are hot as fuck.
Whoa, I wag him.
I don't know, it's kind of sick though.
For how fast this thing is, dude.
Yeah, I know. So, what I was saying earlier, now that we have a minute to talk before we do some spirited driving, if you're gonna be tuned with EQT, there's one thing that I did not know until a while ago, and apparently it makes a very large difference. So, if you get tuned with EQT, when they're tuning the car, you have two O2 sensors. You have one in the turbo housing, and you have one about right here on the exhaust, right after the downpipe or on the downpipe, I can't remember. It depends on the downpipe, actually. You actually want to unplug that secondary O2 sensor because it sounds really stupid because a lot of people obviously know this, but you know, sometimes you're at work and you're just buying shit. You don't think about the fact that, you know, you got to read the description and things. Anyway, when they tune the car, they tune it in the fact that that is gonna be unplugged. Otherwise, if you keep it plugged in when you have it tuned, it'll be good for a little while. If you're tuning with EQT and you want to save a little bit of money, hit Chris from Kenya 2023. Make sure that you unplug that secondary O2 sensor and then actually reflash it with the same tune, and then try that. If you're ever having literally any small issues and you can't figure out what it is, it was literally that for me. If you have it in and you have it plugged in, unplug it, keep the clip in there. CJM Industries actually just makes a little plastic clip that he 3D prints, and it just lets it set right in the stock place. Otherwise, just zip tie something out of the way where it's not gonna melt. Anyway, yeah, that's all you gotta do. Just don't make the mistake that I did and keep it plugged in and then get false readings to your ECU. Otherwise, it's trying to compensate for things that the tune isn't accounting for. Just keep that in mind. What I was saying earlier, so if you're trying to pass emissions or get inspected, get that O2 sensor down below. Hopefully, yo, this is sick.
That's not even, oh, it's a
Look
truck.
at the intake. Look at that, and then they truck pulling it. That thing's fucking massive.
That's
dude.
something that would be.
Yeah, so if you run that O2 sensor, plug it back in, clear that check engine light, bring it, let it run for like 500 miles, something like that, whatever it is, and then you should be able to pass emissions, go get it inspected. Then you're gonna want to unplug it and then reflash it, and then you'll be good to rip afterwards. But anyway, I just wanted to sum that up because I know some things people are like, oh, it's common knowledge. Well, fucking not everybody sees shit like that. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Make sure you do this. And this is, I don't know, this is running completely different ever since I did it, so. All right, back to the ripping. Jeep?
Yeah, that sounds sick.
Yeah, what the hell? It sounds like a VQ.
More repaying too.
We're still spinning in third.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we were just spinning at like 4,000 RPM. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, this is the corner right here.
Yeah, get ready for this.
God.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, why do they grab so hard?
We stopped and grabbed.
We got chicken. Chicken.
Not great, but not bad.
But it's chicken.
Mm-hmm. Can we talk about how VP Racing fuel doesn't have 93? No, you're VP fuel. You're not VP Racing. Where's 102 octane?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Can you imagine? Two f***ing absolute goons are in a GTI, one of them's eating chicken, and the other one's running the paddle, and you get gapped. Your life's over. Sell the car. You know where I'd really hate to live? Right here. like it because I'm in third gear. We're going actually relatively the speed limit right now. Mom's always very worried because Cole is the favorite child and his life matters. Totally kidding, we love you.
So terrible.
I know, totally kidding. Soda.
Yo, hold on, ready? Alright, now we're ready to rock.
Oh. Get a little turbo. Just gotta make this fucking 14-point turn here.
14. Your 1-point turn?
Oh yeah, I meant 180. Yo, we're tunnel hunting, baby. Let's go find some tunnels.
Oh my god, that's loud.
It's actually sick. Alrighty, bros. I think we're gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you enjoyed this little informational spirited driving. When I find out, I got a little something. I don't know. Whenever I find out stupid shit that for some reason I just didn't know, I feel like it is my duty as Egg Daddy to share the wealth among every. Anyway, have a good day. Go right before me. Just keep driving. Keep it real. Your boy's out. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving it.